reference to this particular cryptocurrency, namely Bitcoin Cash, becoming legal tender on St. Maarten. And what I thought was lamentable was the fact that this is being stated and nowhere is any reference made to our central bank. In the past, our central bank, the Central Bank of Curaçao and St. Maarten, actually issued a warning with respect to cryptocurrency and telling the populations of the monetary union, be very careful. You know, there are several pitfalls with respect to cryptocurrency. That's one thing. Secondly, our central bank, again, even more recently, came out stating how elated they were because they had this agreement for instant payment system. And that's, you know, that whichever bank that you're dealing with, payments are actually at the touch of a button, give or take a few minutes here and there. And so when I saw this promotional video, first of all, I thought that too much attention in the video was paid to the Parliament of St. Maarten, creating the impression by those who would not know better that this is something that the Parliament has discussed and sort of endorses, which is absolutely not the case. And so, as I said before, I mean, you know, it's up to any individual to state his or her position on cryptocurrency, on anything for that matter. We all have the freedom of speech, but when it comes to suggesting that our minister should now act in order to make it possible for one or more salaries paid by government to be paid via cryptocurrency, when our central bank is sort of roped in, as I like to put it, into the whole debate, then I would expect the central bank to come out and state its position.